Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ready to supercharge your Clash of Clans journey in 2025? The Gold Pass is your ticket to exclusive rewards each season. It brings a ton of value, from unique hero skins to powerful magical items and even significant resource boosts. Getting the Gold Pass truly transforms your gameplay, making every season more exciting and rewarding, and is well worth the investment. Before we dive into the purchase process, make sure your Clash of Clans game is fully updated to the latest 2025 version. You'll also need a reliable internet connection for a smooth transaction. Most importantly, have your chosen payment method ready and accessible. This could be a linked credit or debit card, a gift card, or even your preloaded App Store balance. All are great options. Once you're in the game, buying the Gold Pass is very simple. Just tap the Gold Pass icon, typically found near the top right of your screen. Then, look for the Get Gold Pass button at the bottom and tap that. Your device's App Store will securely guide you through the final payment process from there. It's a very straightforward and safe transaction, designed for your convenience. Congratulations, your Gold Pass is now active. You'll instantly see its benefits applied to your seasonal challenges. Look for the green checkmark on your Gold Pass reward track, indicating which tiers are now available for collection. All those amazing hero skins, resources, and magical items are yours to enjoy immediately. It's time to claim your new benefits. A few tips for a hassle-free purchase. Always buy the Gold Pass directly through the game to ensure security and validity. If you encounter any hiccups, try restarting the game or checking your internet connection. For more persistent issues, Supercell's in-game support is incredibly helpful. They are always ready to assist if you need them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.